In this video, I'm going to show you how to add in-cart upsell to your Shopify store in 2021. First, you want to log into your Shopify store account. Head on over to Apps on the left. Then click the Visit the Shopify App Store button in the top right. Wait till that loads. And now we want to search for in-cart upsell. There it is. Click that. And we want this one, in-cart upsell by in-cart upsell. That's the one we want to install. This is a 7-day free trial, but you can test it out. And if this helps get more sales or drive more sales to your store, you can decide whether you want to keep it or not. So now we want to install it. Click Add App. Now we're being redirected, and now it asks us for view Shopify account data, view products, view orders, and manage online store authentication. If you're okay with that, you can even view details for all these things. If you're okay with that, click Install App. And that's it. We've successfully installed and added in-cart upsell to our Shopify store in 2021. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.